where many policemen come and drink coconut for free. And hello guys, good evening and welcome to my channel. So today we will be exploring the tall skyscrapers, and these tall skyscrapers are located in Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. So come and join this journey with me. These are very chaotic roads. This is the market of Krishna Apra. In front of you is PT Jewelers. So in front of you is the Saya, the tall skyscrapers of 40-story. In front of you is the Shipra Mall. This is the market ending of Krishna Apra. People are eating pani puri in front of you. In this heavily guarded and heavily fenced area is Krishna Apra apartments. So this is the pavement area. I mean the road, or you can say the street, which is designed for pedestrian. Some people use it for, as you can check. So heavily guarded this area. This is the main entrance of Krishna Apra. Let me show you the entrance gate. It is also one of the greenest road in Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. Please look at those beautiful trees. Many Instagram influencers can take photo of this. So in front of you is the coconut outlet where many policemen come and drink coconut for free, and that too 11 coconut for free daily. This person heavily abuses Ghaziabad police. So now I will take right turn. In front I guess Gaur Green City. And here you have some flower outlet. You have a puncture store also. And this is the barber, open air barber. Guys, as I checked, it is Gaur Green City. In front of you is very chaotic road. It is very hard to cross, and that too in the evening time, because you have so many of those vehicles here. Look how I am struggling to cross this road. And this is the pawn shop on the right hand side of you. So these are some beautiful buildings of Gaur Green City. And in front of you is the Tikuna Park, where many people do yoga and do exercise. So guys, this is the main entrance of Tikuna Park under Ghaziabad Development Authority. And in front of you is the gate number 2 of Gaur Green City. It is sponsored by Gunjan IVF Center. I think these apartment looks like government apartments if you see it minutely. So here is the cotton outlet, and you have a chart tikki store here. And this is the outer area of the park. And again a pawn shop, and you have a egg store here, and then you have a cobbler here. In front of you is the Amrapali Green Apartments. This is the main entrance of Amrapali Greens. Now let us explore the market area of Amrapali Greens. You have many medical stores here, a dental store, pharma store, gastro, dry cleaners, and a Sai Care. This is a quite a vibrant market in Vaibhav Khand, Indrapuram. And you also have the Hastu flour mill. Let me show you the main gate. This is the main gate of Amrapali Greens, as you can check. Because of this tree, the bus will face lot of difficulty here. So in front of you is the tall skyscrapers, as you can see. And in front of you is the Mahagun Marriott. It is also very heavily fenced and heavily guarded by steel and iron wirings. Let me show you again this heavily guarded area. In front of you is the main gate of Goa Green City. This is the main gate of Goa Green City, as you can check. So these are some repair stores outside this Goa Green City, and you have ice cream stores outside. Guys, look at these tall buildings of Mahagun and this Goa Green City tall buildings. This is the main gate. This is the main gate of Mahagun Marriott. These are some open air fruits and vegetable stores in front of you. And currently I am in Captain Jas Marg, which is dedicated to our soldier. This is the Pani Puri store. Now guys, look at this tall building of Mahagun Marriott. It was constructed, I guess, in the year 1999. As I told you, this road was dedicated to Martyr Devendra Jas. So this road belonged to our soldier. This is the tall skyscraper where ground floor and first floor are dedicated to commercial complex. Then from first floor till second, third and onwards, we have residential complex. So guys, finally I am reaching Kala Patthar and I would like to end my vlog here. Hope you like this video. Till then, take care and stay blessed.